Dear student, today I will discuss the next department of a commercial organization, that is marketing and sales department. So first of all, we have to clear the meaning of marketing and sales department. After the production, after the product is produced, that will be taken by the marketing department. Our production department will supply goods to the marketing department. Now marketing department, what will do? Marketing department will store the product, and time to time good will be distributed into different markets, so that they can sell the product. Now meaning of marketing and sales department: the department which is engaged in the activities related to uh, distribution and sale of the product and earning revenues. This is the marketing department. Now what are the function of marketing department, that we have to discuss now. Function or objective. First one is, in the book it is given, marketing research. Marketing research. So marketing and sales department, first function is marketing research. What do you mean by marketing research? That the marketing department will collect the related information, various type of information, like that customer choice, preferences, how much price they want to pay, which type of product they want. Okay, what are the competitors in the market, what kind of product competitors are providing, various type of information marketing department will collect, and based on that marketing department will conduct the research activities, and accordingly the organization will decide what will be the product quality or design. Accordingly that the product will be produced and product will be delivered, and price also will be fixed accordingly. So first and foremost function of the marketing department is to conduct the marketing research. So based on that marketing research, organization will decide many things. Okay. Now here that what kind of information related regarding marketing research. In the book it is given, what type of goods and services are wanted by the customer, that is customer choice preferences, at what time do they want these goods and services, when they will need, when they will demand the goods, in what quantity is a product or service wanted, how much they demanding, what price they willing to pay, how many consumers want product or service, where are the consumers located, who are the competitors competing in the market, many information. So that you have to collect, and based on that you have to take the necessary decision. Now number two function is the product planning and product development. That I told you have to collect first necessary information about the market, or from the market, and based on that you have to take decision. That means what will be your product design, what will be the quality of the product, how much price you have to set, each and everything. So next function is the product planning and development. So product plan and how you can develop the product, that means how you can add different features to the product, that you have to do. So that is the second function, product planning and development. Product planning, product planning and development. Product planning and development. Next one is the pricing, another important function. Pricing means that the fixation of the price of the product or services. The organization producing goods or service, and price of that goods or service they have to fix. and accordingly that will be make available in the market and consumer will buy. Okay, we call the maximum retail price MRP. MRP will be fixed by the organization, that consumer will not pay more than MRP, maximum retail price, and seller also will not charge more than this price. So pricing is the process of deciding or to fix the price of the product or commodity. This is also another function of marketing department. Next function is promotion. Promotion. Promotion means what? That process of informing prospective buyers, that is advertisement you can say, that providing various type of information related to product, and by this way you have to create the demand for the product. That is called promotion. Okay, and this promotion is called sales promotion. Okay, so different types of product related information you have to give them. You have to advertise your product. Sometimes you have to reach to the market. They are you have to orally you have to inform the prospective buyers. Prospective buyers means those are willing to buy. They are not actually buying the product, but if we make influence them, if we motivate them, they then they will be willing to buy the product. So this part is called promotion. This activity also will be performed by the marketing department. So how they can create the demand for the product among the prospective buyers. Next one, number 5 function is selling. Then the product will be marketing department will make available the product in various market, and the selling agent or they will sell to wholesaler, wholesaler will sell to customer. That is the physical distribution channel. So that product will be sold in the market. Okay, until it is sold, then organization will not get revenue. How the organization will get revenue? After selling. When there will be the sale, that that means there will be the transfer of ownership from seller to purchaser. So then only the purchaser will pay the money and seller will get the money. Okay, and this is called the revenue. So this way the organization earn revenue. Selling. Next one is the next another function is distribution. Distribution means the distribute product through different channel into different market, from production center to market. So production to market, production place to market. Suppose from production center, marketing department will collect the goods from production department. Now marketing department will sell goods to the wholesaler, wholesaler will sell goods to the retailer, retailer will go sell goods to the ultimate consumer. Or the marketing department they will employ salesman or selling agent. So they will deliver goods into different market to different salesman, and after getting the goods from marketing department, salesman will sell the goods in the market. So this is called the distribution part. Okay, how that goods will move from production center to the different market in different places. So these are all the function of marketing and sales department. So we have discussed the function of production department. Similarly, we have discussed the function of marketing and sales department. So what you have to study? You have to study the meaning as well as the function. Meaning of production department, meaning of marketing department, function of production department, function of marketing department, like this way. So today up to this, next day another department will be discussed. Thank you all.